Hello, you're welcome to Science Array with Glory Valentine. In this video, we will have a quick look at how to display a ruler bar in Microsoft Word documents. Let's get started. Here supposed to be where the horizontal ruler bar is, and at the left hand side we have the vertical ruler bar. If you don't see it, simply go to View menu, click on it. You will see here ruler being unchecked. So what you need to do is to check here and it display your horizontal and vertical ruler. If when you click on View menu and then go to ruler, it has already been checked, but you have not seen the horizontal ruler here and I've not seen the vertical here. What you need to do is to go to File, go down to where you have Option, click on Option and Display Word option. Go to where you have Advanced, click on Advanced, scroll here to where you have Display option. This we have Display. We have here Show Measurement in units of. I prefer it to be in inches. Then scroll to where you have Show Horizontal Scroll Bar. Checked it and also checked the vertical scroll bar. After that, click on OK. Thank you for watching.